Are you tired of generic resumes that blend in with the crowd? Want to turn your design skills into a profitable side hustle? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create stunning resumes that stand out from the competition using Canva. Learn how to design professional resumes that not only impress potential employers, but also generate a consistent income. Get ready to level up your resume game and unlock new earning opportunities. Canva offers a wide range of features that make it easy to create professional resumes. One of the most helpful features is the templates. Canva provides a variety of templates that you can use as a starting point for your resume. You can customize the templates to fit your specific needs. Another helpful feature is the elements. Elements are objects that you can add to your resume, such as images, icons, and shapes. You can use elements to make your resume more visually appealing. Finally, Canva offers a variety of text styles that you can use to format your text. Text styles allow you to change the font, size, color, and spacing of your text. Personalizing templates and adding unique elements to your resume is a great way to make it stand out from the crowd. Start by choosing a template that matches your industry and experience level. Then, customize the colors, fonts, and layout to reflect your personal style. You can also add your own photos, icons, and other graphics to make your resume more visually appealing. Be sure to use high-quality images and ensure that they are relevant to your qualifications. By taking the time to personalize your resume, you can create a document that is both professional and memorable. A resume is like a snapshot of your skills and experiences. It helps you stand out to potential employers. Here are the main parts. Header. This is where you put your name, contact information, phone number, email, and sometimes a LinkedIn profile and your job title. It's like the title of a book. Summary. Think of this as a short introduction to yourself. You highlight your most relevant skills, experiences, and what you're looking for in a job. It's like a movie trailer. Experience. This is the heart of your resume. Here, you list your past jobs, starting with the most recent. Mention the company, your job title, and the time you worked there. Most importantly, talk about what you did and what you achieved in each role. Skills. This section is where you show off what you can do. List your skills, both technical, like software or languages, and soft skills, like teamwork or communication. You can also add certifications or licenses you have. Education. Here, you list your schools, degrees, and when you graduated. If you're still studying, mention your expected graduation date. Remember, keep your resume clear, concise, and easy to read. Use strong action verbs and quantify your achievements whenever possible. Tailor your resume to each job you apply for, highlighting the skills and experiences that are most relevant. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating your dream resume today with Canva. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to help others discover the power of Canva for resume design. And for more exciting Canva tutorials and tips, be sure to visit my channel page. See you there!